Everyone talks about focus like it's something you either have or don't.
But that's not the truth. Focus is trained, and right now, you're being trained in the wrong direction. Every notification, every scroll, every quick dopamine hit.
It's not harmless. It's conditioning your mind to avoid effort, to switch, to quit before things get hard.
And then you sit down to do something meaningful, and your brain fights you like it's under attack.
That's not laziness. That's conditioning. Here's the shift. Stop trying to feel focused and start building an environment where distraction loses. So make it simple and brutal. Remove what doesn't serve the work.
Put your phone in another room, not on silent, gone. Close every tab that isn't necessary. Set a timer for 25 minutes
and commit to one task only. Not perfectly, just fully.
Because focus isn't about intensity, it's about returning, again and again.
Every time your mind drifts, you bring it back. That repetition is the training. And understand this, the people who get ahead aren't superhuman.
Yeah.
They've just learned how to protect their attention in a world designed to steal it.
So stop waiting for the perfect mindset. Stop negotiating with distraction.
Train your focus like it matters, because it does.
Yeah.
Because in the end, your life is shaped by what you pay attention to. And if you don't choose it, something else will. If you're serious, subscribe and stay consistent.